Right, bill of materials. Let's check this thing out. So if we look at that top, number one, if we're thinking about our box, I'm just going to think about our long side right now. Okay, and the long side we had two of them. And we think about the size, it was supposed to be 6 inches by about 2.5, I believe, by, and the thickness right here was a 1/2 inch. Okay, so for each board, you've got your short side, you've got your bottom piece, you got the top two pieces. There's the top of the lid and the bottom of the lid, so two pieces for that. Make sure you get a quantity in for each one of those, and then put the size in. Material, all this was made out of pine, and then pine, if we take a look at the bottom, right down here, we see that pine is $1.12 board foot. So I'm going to put that in there. $1.12, right? So let's do some math on it. So to calculate the cost of this guy, I'm going to write it over here. I got to go 6 times, well, that's not a great 6, times 2.5, okay? And we ran out of room over here. So 6 times 2.5 right there. 6 times 2.5, enter, 15. So we had about 15. And remember, this was 6 inches, and that was 6 inches, so that means our units right now are inches squared, right? So we got 15 inches squared of material, and we got to figure out how many board feet that is. So the other information we have is that one board foot is 144 square inches right there, right? So that's the other information we need. So I'm going to take that 15 inches squared and divide it by 144 inches squared, and that's going to give me, I don't know, divided by 144, 0.104. So keep it in the calculator, don't round it, okay? So what was that? 0.104, and that's how many board feet we have, so very little. So 0.104 board feet, and then I'm going to multiply that by the cost. Remember, we found out one board foot is $1.12, and I put it on there twice because it's the most important information. So let's go times 1.12, enter, and I get about, I'm going to round up 12 cents. So I multiply that by the cost, $1.12, and that equals, well, I'm going to round up 12 cents. Okay, so here's where you're going to get it wrong though. Here's some important information right here. Okay, so I have this was the price for one 6-inch piece, right? But we have two 6-inch pieces, so I need to multiply that by 2. So my answer is going to be 24 cents for that guy right there. So that looks pretty solid right there. So that's how you get that one done. Remember, you got your short side, bottom of the box, top and bottom of the lid. Make sure you get all the pieces represented. Good luck.